Hello friends! Atharv, why are you so sad?
I want to make a lava lamp, but I don't have aspirin at my home.
Oh, I see. I can teach you how to make lava lamp without aspirin at home.
Oh, really? Then I want to learn. But wait, friends, do you want to learn how to make a lava lamp without aspirin? Okay, so let's start. But where are the ingredients?
Wait, I'll bring them with magic. Oh, what a magic!
Correct.
Okay, so now the ingredients are a teaspoon, 1 portion of vinegar, 2 portions of oil, 1 portion of baking soda, paints of food color, and a glass. Okay, so first take your glass. According to your glass, you should pour a bit less than 1/3 vinegar. So here I am pouring in some vinegar. Now we can add some food color or paints. Here I am using paints. Okay, so now after mixing the paint, keep the spoon aside. Now add a bit less than 2/3 oil. Okay, so now I have added the oil. I was actually telling to add a bit less because if you would add exactly 1/3 and then exactly 2/3, this glass would have been completely filled. But I told a bit less because after that we have to add baking soda also. So now take 1 teaspoon baking soda and add it in the water. See, isn't it looking beautiful? And also, if it doesn't work, try adding a bit more baking soda. Then it will surely work. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye bye.
Bye bye.